Hello everyone. Here we are with question number 10. It's UPSC CSC Geography Previous Year Question Discussion Series for Prelims 2021. Let's start by reading our question number 10. Our question is normally the temperature decreases with the increase in height. Okay, temperature decreases with the increase in height from the earth's surface because. So the question is asking why there is decline in temperature as we go above in the atmosphere from the surface, earth's surface. So our statement number 1 is atmosphere can be heated upward only from the earth's surface. Okay. Statement 2, there is more moisture in the upper atmosphere. Okay. Statement 3, the air is less dense in the upper atmosphere. Okay. So we are done with all our 3 statements. Let's answer by decodifying each and every statement. So let's reaching to the answer. Our answer is C, but let's explain first. The atmosphere allows short wave incoming solar radiation. Our atmosphere is transparent to what? Short wave. Because the short wave which are coming from the sun, they are so high in energy that atmosphere cannot resist them. So our atmosphere is transparent to the short wave radiation which come from the sun. And do not let go outgoing long wave terrestrial radiation which heats up the atmosphere upward from the earth's surface. What happened actually? The sun rays enter into the atmosphere but they do not warm up the atmosphere. So which is the thing which kept our environment warm? A living condition is provided by that, and that is our earth. In the daytime, our earth absorbs the sunlight and it emits the long wave radiation, and when it radiates its energy in the terms of long wave radiation, then it heats up the environment. So the long wave radiation play important role keeping our environment warm. So by this we can move to the statement first, which is saying that atmosphere can be heated upward only from the earth's surface. Yes, our statement first is right. Our statement second is moisture decreases as we go up from the earth's surface constantly. Moisture decreases, yes, when we go above in the atmosphere is very rare after the tropopause or after the troposphere. So the moisture decreases as we go up from the earth's surface constantly. After the tropopause, the water vapor doesn't exist in the atmosphere. Okay. So this is a fact that as we go up, there is no moisture, there is no water vapor in the upper atmosphere after the tropopause. So by this, what we can do? There is more moisture in the upper atmosphere? No. This is a statement which is wrong in itself. And if this statement is wrong, then we can eliminate D because second statement is wrong, and we can eliminate B. Because wherever there is a second statement that there is a more moisture in the upper atmosphere, so eliminate those options which are containing the option number B. So B and D are eliminated. So we are left with our statement, our option A and C. So let's go for next statement. The density of air decreases as we go up from the earth's surface, and there are two reasons behind it. So as we go up, density will decrease because near the earth atmosphere it is more dense, but as we go up it will become rare and rare. At higher altitude, there is less air pushing down from the above. Yes, because there is less pressure is there. Gravity is weaker farther from the earth center. This is a factual knowledge that as we go from the earth have a strong gravitational force, but as we go above, so the gravity will affect us less. As we know in the case of the rockets, or the spaceship, when they are out of the gravity of the earth, they move freely. So the at high altitude, air molecule, they can spread out and air density decreases. Okay. So the statement, air is less dense in the upper atmosphere. Yes, air is less dense because of the effect of the gravity and less pressure is available there. So by this our statement 1 and 3 is correct, and our correct answer for this question is C. Yes. So this is all we done. Guys, if you really find this video helpful in your preparation, then please share it to the other aspirants, and like the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.